That means pressure is rising, it's weakening. So right now the sustained maximum winds are at 65 miles per hour and it's still moving through central and eastern portions of Florida right now. But you can see those rain bands aren't just lingering over Florida, they're extending northward into South Carolina, even parts of Georgia, and also the southern part of North Carolina as well. You can see plenty of rainfall located over the western Atlantic. So the National Weather Service has issued not only hurricane watches, but hurricane warnings, tropical storm watches and warnings all the way up through Wilmington, North Carolina. So here's the latest track from the National Hurricane Center. You can see it's right now a tropical storm. It's expected to move over the western Atlantic Ocean later on this afternoon. Overnight into Friday, it's still expected to stay a tropical depression, possibly making landfall across the coastline of South Carolina before it starts to weaken even more heading into the weekend, because we all know that these storms need that warm water in order to survive. And because it's going to be moving over land, it won't have that energy source, so it's going to be dying out. We can expect to see the impacts from Ian here across Maryland and across the mid-Atlantic region this weekend. And we'll actually start to see some of the impacts tomorrow in the form of cloud cover. Right now, our temperatures, though, across the state are a little bit all over the place. So it is feeling a little bit chillier out towards Frostburg and Deep Creek, both hanging on to 44 degrees, 52 in Frederick. And look at Severn right now sitting at 55 degrees for you all this morning. Today is National Coffee Day. I would grab that warm cup of coffee, especially if you're heading out towards western Maryland, where temperatures are a little bit cooler. Across central Maryland, temperatures should be mainly rising into the mid and upper 60s, so we're not expected to really touch that 70-degree mark today. Unfortunately, we are going to keep conditions below normal with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Here's a look at Futurecast. We'll be dealing with those winds out of the north, helping to keep our temperatures below normal. Clouds will start to ramp up and really thicken up throughout your Friday afternoon and evening. Southern Maryland could be seeing some of this moisture from the remnants of Ian as we head into your Friday evening, and then it's expected to overcome the entire state overnight into early Saturday morning. You can see we could even be dealing with a few rumbles of thunder throughout the morning hours. Also, that chance lingers into your Saturday afternoon. And get this, the moisture isn't going anywhere. It's going to linger throughout Sunday. So unfortunately, the Ravens game looking a little bit soggy, dealing with the potential for some scattered thunderstorms as well. And that chance lingers into early next week. So here's a look at Sunday evening. In terms of rainfall totals, a widespread 1 to 2 inches can't be ruled out when it's all said and done. We could be dealing with local or isolated instances of flooding, not talking about a widespread flash flooding event like what they're dealing with in Florida, but we could be dealing with those streams and creek levels rising. This weekend, temperatures really struggled to hit the lower 70s. We're going to stay stuck in the mid 60s. That tropical moisture moves out of here for Wednesday, allowing for clearing to take place, and we rebound back into the lower 70s. Megan?
All right, Stevie, thank you very much.